Hey everyone, it's Miss C, fourth grade teacher at Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. Today is day 3 of spring break review. So we have our Google Classroom open. We are going to our classwork. I've already scrolled all the way down from the top to science. So today is day 3. We're going to open up the assignment and read the instructions. So your instructions are to watch this video, which will help you figure out what to do, instructions video. And what we're going to do today is, if you have not already, you're going to complete the Natural Resources Review 2. This is where I made a PowerPoint where I go through and I answer some questions that people had. I clarify some things. So we're going to go over all of the natural resources, renewable and non-renewable sources that we covered already in this unit. So the first thing to do, as always, is to watch your Brain Pop video to get a little bit more background knowledge. This one is specifically about fossil fuels because some people were confused about what fossil fuels are. So this will give us an explanation about what fossil fuels are. And then after you watch your Brain Pop video, you're going to watch the Natural Resources second review video that I recorded where I will go through my PowerPoint. After you watch this video, you can read through the story of fossil fuels. This is where you can choose to read one article. So maybe one is about coal, one is about petroleum, one is about oil. So you'll just choose one page on there. There are arrows on there, and I can actually open that up so you can see it. So here we are. This is Climate Kids that we've been using a lot. So this one is about coal. A lot of people were asking about fossil fuels. They wanted to know where they came from, who was the first person to ever find them. So this gives us a bunch of history about fossil fuels. So if you are interested in finding out about coal, you would read this page. If not, you would hit next at the bottom. And on our next page, this is about oil. So oil is petroleum, oil, gas, excuse me, on the next page, you would see that this one is about gas. And finally, this page, last page, is about coal being banned. Okay, so you'll choose one page to read, and after you read that, you will come to here and you will fill out your Google form. I'm just asking some questions about natural resources, which one you learned about, and some questions about fossil fuels, just to make sure that everybody understands what fossil fuels are. Okay, so go ahead and get started on your day 3 review. If you've already completed this, please go to your other sections and see if there's any work that you need to make up there. If not, please go outside, enjoy the day, move your body, and hopefully it is sunny today. I don't know because I'm pre-recording this, so I'm hoping that it's sunny next week for you. All right, see you all tomorrow.